Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the frosted quality effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then locate frosted quality. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to scroll through it to check out the effect. And we can either elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip, or we're just going to click a point in the clip where we want it to be affected. So we're going to bring it here. And now with the effect being selected, we'll go to the special effects tab and we can mess with the blur of the effect, the filter, strength, the noise, sharpen, size, and speed, and also add keyframes. You guys should play around with these settings to fit your effect needs. And so let's check it out. Damn! That's a cool effect. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.